So here's my pumpkin pie. Pumpkin on the left, pumpkin pecan cheesecake in the middle, and apple pie on the right. So we got the Cook's spiraled sliced ham, and it comes with a honey glaze. I just finished my mac and cheese. I made it the way that I make my Alfredo sauce, but except with like cheddar cheese, Colby Jack, mild and sharp cheddar. And then I kind of followed John Legend's way that he does his recipe, but it's like a mix between how I do mine and how he does his. So here we go. And the thing is popped.
It did?
Yeah. The ham is done. The turkey's done. The pasteles are cooking. I made macaroni salad last night. The mofongo's done. The rice. And the mac and cheese. So here's my plate. I got a little piece of ham, some macaroni salad, mac and cheese, a little bit of rice, and some mofongo. It looks delicious and tastes delicious too.